Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. This is chapter 2, computer software. Okay, so students, this is classwork for you all today. In classwork, I'm going to explain you this chapter. Okay, you don't have to do anything. While in homework, you have to do some questions, and that is provided at the end of this video. Okay, so let's get started with the classwork. This is chapter 2, computer software. First is let's start. Match each icon to the software program it represents. So what are icons? Icons are the small pictures which are in the desktop. And what is a desktop? Desktop is the first screen. Whenever we open a computer, the first screen which appears in front of us, that is desktop. Okay, and the small pictures on that is called icon. Okay, so this is this matching you have to do. You have to match the icons with the correct name. Okay, what is software? Just putting the hardware components together will not make a computer work. In order to work, computer also needs software. So a hardware alone cannot make a computer work. Software also plays an important role. Okay, so computer software are programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware. Okay, so what are computer software? They are the programs which are stored inside the computer and they run on the hardware. Okay, they help the users like you and me to work on the computer. So they help us to work on the computer. So what is a hardware? First of all, hardware is something which we can touch. Okay, while software is the program which runs inside the hardware. Okay, so here in the image you can see computer hardware, okay, and computer software combinedly make the computer system, and that is what helps the user to work efficiently. Okay, so below you can see software and hardware are inseparable from each other, so they both cannot run without each other. Like hardware cannot run without software, and similarly software also cannot run without hardware. Okay, for example, when we buy a software, we actually buy a software stored on a CD, which is a hardware. Okay, for an example, whenever you buy a software, for software you buy a CD. So CD is the hardware, and the program which is inside the CD, that is software. Okay, so that's why these both are interdependent on each other. Okay, that's all for your classwork. So students, this is homework for you today. What you have to do in your homework is, first of all, you have to match the following. So what are those following? In the previous image, I have at the starting of the image, there were some icons and the names. So you have to match them. Okay, that is your homework. Second thing is, you have to write what is software. Okay, that's all for your homework. So students, this is all for your class, and if you have any queries, then do drop down a comment in the comment section down below, and I will reach to you. Okay, so if you like this video, then you can like and share also. Thank you and have a wonderful day.